One weak drill can turn a simple project into a frustrating battle. In this video, we'll reveal the best power drill options that bring speed, control, and confidence to every task. So welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description and choose the right drill before your next job starts. The number 5 product on our list is Dekopro Power Drill. A simple shelf can feel like a major project when your drill is heavy, confusing, or missing the right bits. Dekopro Power Drill is made for homeowners, renters, beginners, DIY lovers, and especially anyone who wants a lighter cordless drill that still feels useful for real household work. Its 20-volt power gives enough strength for driving screws and drilling into wood, metal, ceramic, and plastic, while the 2-speed range lets you slow down for control or speed up when the job needs momentum. The 18+1 torque settings are important because stripped screws and over-drilled holes can ruin a project fast, and this setup gives you more control before mistakes happen. Compared with a bulky professional drill, Dekopro feels easier to hold, carry, and manage, especially at only 2.5 pounds. The battery indicator adds peace of mind because you can see power status before starting, instead of discovering a dead battery halfway through assembly. The included bit set, magnetic holder, nut drivers, brad point drill bits, charger, and 1.5 amp-hour battery make it feel ready for furniture builds, wall brackets, repairs, craft projects, and quick fixes around the home. The upside is lightweight handling, useful accessories, adjustable torque, and friendly design. The downside is that heavy construction users may want a larger battery and stronger pro-grade tool. Buy it if you want a practical cordless drill kit that turns small home projects from stressful chores into satisfying wins you can finish with steadier hands. At number 4 is Avid Power Drill. A loose cabinet handle can feel small until every fix in the house starts waiting for the right tool. Avid Power Drill is built for homeowners, first-time DIY users, renters, crafters, and gift buyers who want a cordless drill kit that feels friendly instead of intimidating. Its 20-volt lithium-ion battery includes a real-time charge display, so you can check power before starting furniture assembly, wall mounting, shelf installation, or weekend repairs. That little detail brings real relief because nothing breaks momentum faster than a dead battery mid-project. The 15+1 torque settings and 280 inch-pound torque help protect screws from stripping while still giving enough strength for wood, drywall, plastic, and light metal work. Compared with a heavier professional drill, Avid Power feels easier to control at only 2.5 pounds, with a rubberized grip that reduces hand fatigue during longer tasks. The built-in LED light helps in cabinets, corners, and shadowy work areas, while the 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and simple. The kit also includes drill bits, driver bits, a flexible shaft, and extension bar, which adds strong value for beginners. The upside is lightweight handling, practical accessories, precise control, and a battery display that makes planning easier. The downside is that it is not made for concrete, masonry, oversized bits, or heavy-duty construction. Buy it if you want a dependable home power drill that turns nervous repairs into clean, satisfying progress with less guesswork and more control in your hands. The third one on our list is Bosch Power Drill. Some projects do not need a bigger drill, they need a tool that can reach the awkward spot without tiring your hand. Bosch Power Drill is made for users who care about control, comfort, and clean results in tight spaces. At only 1.80 pounds, it feels noticeably easier to handle during cabinet work, furniture assembly, shelving, repairs, and overhead drilling. That light weight becomes important when a simple task turns into 10 small fixes around the home. The 7-inch head length helps it slip into cramped corners where bulkier cordless drills feel clumsy. Power is still there, with 265 inch-pounds of torque, giving it enough strength for everyday drilling and fastening jobs. The 2-speed range lets you move slowly for delicate screw driving or faster for drilling into common materials. Compared with a heavier DIY drill kit, Bosch feels more refined and maneuverable, especially for people who want less strain and more precision. 20+1 clutch settings help reduce fastener damage, while the 3/8-inch 3-jaw chuck holds bits securely during use. The LED light adds extra relief when working inside drawers, closets, and dim garage corners. The upside is compact power, smooth handling, strong torque control, and excellent reach. The downside is that users needing heavy construction force may want a larger drill platform. Buy it if you want a lightweight, cordless power drill that makes detailed home projects feel calmer, cleaner, and easier to finish, with steady control from the first screw to the final touch. On number 2 is Dewalt Power Drill. A weak drill does not just slow the job, it steals the energy that makes a project feel possible. Dewalt Power Drill brings that familiar job site attitude into home repairs, DIY builds, light construction, and everyday fastening tasks where power and control both matter. Its compact, lightweight design helps it fit into tight areas, so cabinet corners, shelving brackets, furniture frames, and awkward garage fixes feel less frustrating. The high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out, giving it more bite than many casual household drills when driving screws or drilling into wood, plastic, and light metal. The 2-speed transmission adds useful flexibility, with a slower range for controlled fastening and a faster range for drilling when momentum matters. Compared with a smaller beginner drill, Dewalt feels more serious, more stable, and better suited for users who expect frequent projects rather than occasional quick fixes. The half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck is another strong point, gripping bits tightly so work feels cleaner and less shaky. The ergonomic handle helps reduce hand strain, especially when a simple repair turns into a full afternoon project. The upside is strong output, reliable handling, versatile speed control, and a compact body that still feels capable. The downside is that it is not the right choice for concrete, masonry, or heavy industrial drilling. Buy it if you want a cordless power drill that feels ready for real household work, giving your projects more strength, smoother control, and that satisfying feeling of finishing the job without fighting the tool every step. Now moving to the last one is BLACK+DECKER Power Drill. Not every home repair needs a contractor, but the wrong drill can make a 5-minute fix feel like a full renovation. BLACK+DECKER Power Drill is designed for people who want a simple, capable cordless drill kit for everyday jobs without feeling overwhelmed by professional-grade complexity. As part of the 20-volt max system, it brings useful versatility for furniture assembly, shelf mounting, curtain rods, cabinet handles, craft builds, and quick repairs around the house. The 24-position clutch is one of its strongest practical features because it helps prevent stripped screws and overdriving, which is exactly where beginners often lose patience. Compared with a heavier, high-output drill, BLACK+DECKER feels more approachable and easier to maneuver, especially with its soft grip handle and compact feel. The included 30 accessories add real value, giving you brad point drill bits, screw driving bits, nut drivers, a magnetic bit holder, battery, and charger right out of the box. That means fewer extra purchases and less time searching for the right piece before starting. The upside is friendly handling, solid control, broad accessory support, and a setup that suits casual DIY users very well. The downside is that demanding construction work or masonry drilling will need something stronger. Buy it if you are a homeowner, renter, student, or new DIY user who wants dependable everyday drilling power, fewer mistakes, and the rewarding feeling of fixing things yourself without turning your toolbox into a complicated puzzle. So guys, this was the video about the best power drill. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.